So I'm out on the property with a group. We're teaching them how to shoot. We've got Gamo break barrel rifles out here. It's awesome. Are you guys having fun?
Yep.
Yeah. Yeah. It's awesome, guys. You can do this too.
Start over there.
Oh, you start over here. You start on this one right here.
What are you doing?
But I think you started shooting that gun first, right? Because this one didn't come out till later.
No.
You ready?
Okay, ready.
Go for it. Woo! Well done.
Yeah.
Aiming for the top of the can
Countdown.
on the left.
So right where I aim, I pretty much go.
Yeah, pretty much.
Okay.
I think. It's a trickier shot though.
Okay. Ready?
Yep. Yeah! Nicely done. Well done, sharpshooter. Wow! Nice shot. Okay. Woo! Nice. For the right or the left?
Right.
Okay.
All right.
Yeah! Knock the other one over. Good shot. Yeah. Well done, guys. All right. Woo! Did you see the splatter on that thing? That was awesome.
Wow. Yeah, this is dialed in. This is sweet. 3, 2, 1.
Woo! Boom. Yeah.
Wait.
So I hit a little bit high.
Let's see.
I hit a little
That's
high.
the one that you shot front?
Yeah.
Wow.
A little high.
Look at all these. Just shredded.
Shredded those cans.
There's root beer everywhere.
Blood is on the streets. So you instead of blood on the streets, root beer on the streets.
Every single one of these guys is now a Gamo sharpshooter. 30 yards, no problem. Gamo Swarm Magnum. We also use the Maxim and the Fusion, but all of these guys chose the Magnum in the end to do this competition, and they all nailed it. Well done, guys. Was it fun?
Yeah.
Yeah!